Hi guys, with the cooler weather, I enjoy eating a bowl of chili. If you're interested in seeing my version, keep on watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell. Please help spread the love for my channel by giving this video a like. Start off by roasting your poblano pepper. Once done, add your poblano to an airtight container to let the skin sweat. Peel skin off and chop into strips and then cubes as so. In a pot, heat up oil and saute your onions and garlic. Once fragrant, add your jalapenos and red bell peppers. Mix and season with salt and pepper. Add your ground turkey and your seasonings. Give it a good mix and add chicken broth, corn, and tomato sauce. Next, I top my chili with the roasted poblanos. Adjust seasoning if you need to. Bring chili to boil, cover, and reduce to simmer. I like adding smoked kielbasa to my chili. Fry them up and add them to the chili once the chili is nice and thick. To serve, add chili to a bowl and top with your favorite toppings. I like adding sour cream, green onions, and cheese. Yum, doesn't that look delicious? Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.